Here's your coffee.
Thank you. Is everything in the bag? Yes. Why come out here so early? So I could do this before my family celebrates my birthday. Oh, happy birthday.